honest, I didn't set out to write a children's book. My name is Dr. Omerine. I am a family physician. I am a mom of 3 boys, and I am the author of My Lucky Skin, which was beautifully illustrated by Maria Malandrino. Kids say the oddest things sometimes. They say things that make us laugh. They say things that make us mad. But 3 years ago, my son said something that was heartbreaking to me. I have 3 sons. This is a picture of my youngest son. He was about a year old at the time. And this is a picture of my 2 older sons, who are now 9 and 7. When my son was 5 years old, it was his first year. He was in kindergarten. We were very excited about him being in kindergarten. He came home one day and said his skin color is not good. And then he said, the other kids, the white kids, look like they have lucky skin. I was shocked. I was devastated. I asked myself where I had gone wrong as a mother, because until then I had had 2 obsessions. Number 1, to give him the best education possible, and number 2, make sure that he is respectful so that he doesn't get into trouble in the future with the police. I didn't know that I would have to talk to him about the value of being comfortable in your own skin, self-love and self-acceptance. And so that's the message in this book, My Lucky Skin. And I'm going to read you the first few pages. My name is Ayo. I chose the name Ayo because Ayo means great praise. It is a name of African origin. I am 5 years old. Today is my first day in kindergarten. So many things are new. There are new teachers, new kids, and new lessons. But I feel alone and a little scared. Looking around, I wonder, why do I feel so out of place? It's my skin color. It's not like the other kids. I have brown skin, like my brothers Ashu and Ako, and my mom and dad. My mom says it's the color of the mahogany wood from our home in West Africa. But the other kids in my kindergarten class do not have mahogany skin. They are much lighter. They all look like they have lucky skin. Will being a different color mean I will have trouble making friends? I hope not. A lot of children have questions about what skin is and what the skin does. And I have noticed since writing this book that a lot of parents have had some difficulty in addressing those questions. So with the help of a dermatologist, I added 2 educational inserts. You notice different skin colors that make a heart. There's even an albino hand and an vitiligo hand. And it's meant to help parents and teachers teach children about what skin is. One of the things that we need to know about the skin is that it's the largest organ in the body, and we have new skin cells every 28 days. So it's my hope that when you read this book with your children, that they will learn that skin color is nature's rainbow, and it is our differences that make us even more beautiful.